Today let us discuss long division with remainder. Last classes we done word problems related to division. Now all of you know that how to divide single digit division. Next let us discuss division of two digit numbers. Example, first question 948 divided by 12. Here we are doing the long division. So first this number is called the dividend and this number is called the divisor. This number is dividend and this is the divisor. Then first we have to check in 94 how many times 12 come. In 94 how many times 12 come. So if you know the table you can find this. Otherwise you have to check in 94 how many times 12 is coming. That you have to multiply and find it. Okay, here I check, then I got 7 times. 7 times 12 is 84. Then subtract 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. Sorry, 4 minus 4 is 0. Next digit bring down, that is 8. Next you have to check in 108 how many times 12 come. In 108 how many times 12 is coming. Then again I check, I got 9 times 12 is 108. 9 times 12 is 108. That is 9 2s are 18. One remainder, then 1 and 9 is 9. One remainder are then 10. Then we got the quotient. The answer is called quotient, that is 79. Now we got the quotient is 79. Okay. So in this problem, this here what we are getting here, last digit after division we get something here, that is called the remainder. Here only 0. So this what we are getting after division, that is called the remainder and this is called the divisor. And this is dividend. Dividend and this is quotient. Okay. So divide ചെയ്യുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ dividend, then divide ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇവിടെ എഴുതുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ divisor, then division after we will get the answer, that is called the quotient, and the what we are getting after division, that is called the remainder. Understood all of you? Next another example, divide 4736 by 15. Divide 4736 by 15. Here this number is called the dividend. So first you have to check in this dividend. Consider the first two digits. So in 47 how many times 15 is coming. In 47 how many times 15 is coming. We can find 3 times 15 is come. 3 times 15 come. That is 15 3s are, that is 3 into 5 is 15. Then one remainder, 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 and 1 is 4. 45. Then next step, subtract 2. Then next digit bring down, 23. Next you have to check in 23 how many times 15 come. In 23 how many times 15 come. We know that 115 only come in 23. Again subtract, then we will get 8. Okay. Then next digit bring down, that is 6. We know that in 6 5 times 15 is coming, that is 15 into 5 is 75. Then again subtract 11. Here 315 is the quotient and 15 is the divisor and 4736 is the dividend and 11 is the remainder. Once again, quotient is 315, 4736 is dividend and 15 is divisor and the remainder is 11. Okay. Next you have to find the quotient we got correct or not. നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണോ അല്ലാന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മളൊരു ഫോർമുലയും കൊടുത്തിട്ട് വീണ്ടും ഒന്നും കൂടെ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. So given the values in the given formula. Our formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Once again, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is our dividend? Dividend is 4736 equal to, what is the divisor? Divisor is 15. 15 into quotient. Quotient is 315 plus, here one plus is there, plus remainder. Remainder is 11. Next you have to do calculation. Then only we can find the answer is correct or not. Okay, so again 15 into 315. Here there is no space, that is I am not multiplying. Okay, directly I am writing the answer. Okay, so 15 into 315 is 4725. 15 into 315 is 4725 plus 11. After adding we get 4736. So before also we got 4736. So dividend is 4736. Also divisor into quotient plus remainder is also 4736. So our answer is correct. Understood all of you? Next question. 486 divided by 4. 486 divided by 4. Divide 486 by 4. One time 1 into 4 is 4. Then subtract 0. Next digit bring down 8. Then 2 4s are 8. Again subtract 0. Then next digit 6. Then only one time 1 into 4 is 4. Subtract 2. Now we got the quotient, that is 121. This is what? This is divisor. And this is dividend. And this is remainder. Understood all of you? Quotient, divisor, dividend and remainder. Okay. Then applying these all values in the formula. What is our formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the dividend? Dividend is 486. Dividend is 486. Then divisor. Divisor is 4. Next quotient. Quotient is 121. Next remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Then these values we are given the same formula. This formula I wrote in short this way. Okay. So dividend. What is the dividend? 486. 486 equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor is 4 and quotient is 121 plus remainder 2. 121 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 4 is 4. 484. 484 plus 2 equal to 486. Our dividend is 486. After applying these values we got 486. So our answer is correct. Our quotient is correct. We are using this formula to check our answer. Understood all of you? Another example. Dividend is not given. Then divisor is equal to 16. Quotient is equal to 23. Remainder is equal to 8. In this question, dividend is not given. Divide ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന ആ നമ്പർ തന്നിട്ടില്ല. Then quotient തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Then divisor and remainder is given. So how will you find the answer? We are giving these values, the given values in the formula. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor. What is the divisor? 16 into, what is the quotient? Quotient is 23. 16 into 23 plus, what is the remainder? Remainder is 8. is equal to 60 into 23 is 368 plus 8 is equal to 376. So the dividend is 376. Understand all of you? So in this question the dividend is not given, all other things given. So we are applying the values, then we will get the dividend. Understand all of you? So in your textbook, page number 47, some questions are there, okay. Some values given, some other values are not given. So we have to find, you have to do some rough book and write the answer in the textbook itself, page number 47, okay. And write in your textbook itself, okay all of you. Thank you. See you next class. Have a nice day.